Hi everyone, Theresa the AI Quilter here. Let's talk about what AI is really great at and what it's not so good at. Think of AI as a helpful tool in your quilting toolbox. It's amazing for brainstorming ideas, filling in repetitive tasks, and helping with things like color theory or pattern inspiration. For examples, you might ask AI to generate quilt design ideas, suggest color combinations, or even write up a description for your Etsy listing. It's like having a brainstorming buddy who never gets tired. But here's the key. AI works best when you give it clear and specific tasks. It's not a substitute for your creativity or expertise. It's more like the assistant that helps bring your ideas to life. So, next time you're stuck or need a boost, remember to use AI for what it's great at, saving time and sparking inspiration.